Continuation video of Python. In this video, we will discuss about the variables in Python. Okay, let's start. Visual Studio Code, and in Visual Studio Code, I will create another file. The file name is variable. Will will name this file as variable dot ipynb. I'm creating just a Jupyter notebook file. Okay, I'm creating Jupyter notebook file because in this we have a code cell, and one by one just write the code and execute here using the this icon. Okay, and in case of Python, no issue. We can write here also the same code. We can execute both of the some file extension. We can both the files can be be used to run Python code. But in this case, suppose I have write 5 line code and just go to the go to the terminal and write here the Python and the file name test.py. So whole file is run at a time. Okay, and here in case of Jupyter notebook, one by one we can run the code by cell. Whatever the code written in this cell, only that code is executed. That's why I am using this one. Okay, so I've created one file variable that ipynb format, that is the Jupyter notebook format, to run the Python code. And here today we will discuss about the variable. So in first video I have discussed the cloud-based editor. In second video I have discussed the necessary software which is need to be installed to run the Python code. And in third video, I've just discussed how to work with our VS Code ID and some necessary command to configure our Visual Studio to run Python code. Okay, there is some anaconda command. In previous video, I have discussed each and everything, and here in the requirement note, I have given the command also. Okay, so you go through the previous video, you understand. Okay, so now we will discuss about the variable. So here we will discuss variable in Python. So in the case of Python, you don't need to declare a variable like integer and the identifier name a and assign the value integer. There is no concept here in the Python. Only in Python, just declare a identifier, just declare a identifier or variable and just assign the value here. Suppose you are assigning the value integer, then that dynamically this type is changed. Okay, so in this I have assigned a, here I have assigned a string, and in this a variable just I have assigned float 3.5. Okay, and in this variable a just assign boolean true. Okay, so dynamically it's change the its type. Okay, whatever the value is assigned to the particular variable, according to that value the data type is automatically changed. Okay, suppose I want to print the type. So here after assigning 565 into the variable a, then I want to print the type of a. Okay, so we will use the function type and we pass a. Now this type function will tell what is the type of variable a. Same thing we will pass after assigning string value. I want to know the type of a. After assigning float value, just I want to know the type of A. After assigning Boolean value true in the variable A, I want to know the type of A. Okay, I have passed like this. So I will run this one. This is the comment already I have discussed. Single line comment. Okay. So this is comment line. What is the use of comment? Comment is just tell the developer or descriptive text. This is descriptive text. After reading this one, anyone can understand what is this going on. Okay, so you can give descriptive text. Okay, and use the comment you double hash to comment this one. Saying a comment, why we comment? Because the compiler ignore the commented line. Okay, the single line comment with a started with double hash in the case of Python. Okay, and multi-line comment is already discussed. Everything I have discussed. Triple single quote opening and triple single quote closing, that is multi-line comment. Okay, now we run this one. What we will get? Just select the environment. Yesterday I've created in previous video I've created the environment, our personal environment, using Python 3.12 to execute our code. So just select the Python. Here you can also select kernel, then this will appear here. From here you can also select. Now when you select here, then also the selected text is appear here. Okay, you can run all like that, and run code like that. We have many things. Okay, now now you can see in the case of when the value is assigned 565, then the type printed int. When the value assigned is string in the variable A, now the type is string, and when the float assigned, then float. When the boolean assigned, then boolean. uh, I think you understand the concept. What is the in Python, how the dynamic variable works. Okay, so create cell number 2 means in Python dynamic data type. You understand this one, right? Whatever the value assigned in a particular variable, according to that value the type is changed automatically. No need to declare type, means integer, double, float, nothing we need to do in case of Python. This is the beauty of Python. Okay, what is the dynamic data type? Dynamic data type is just same as the where. Suppose we have where A, and I have assigned 3 to 5. anything we can pass and print like that. Print was. So just click here to run, or just click shift enter to run this one. Okay. What are the rules? And suppose this is the variable. Okay, and just I'm assigning the value 34343. Okay, and just I'm printing this one. Whatever the value is assigned, according to that, the data type is changed. You know already. Okay. Then how we can identify naming naming convention for variables. The same naming convention is followed in Python also. Naming convention for variables are, we can say, identifier. Same thing, whatever other language follow. Okay. The first character must be letter or underscore. First character must be letter or underscore. Okay, first character for the variable name, first character must be letter or underscore. Okay, variable name is the combination of alphanumeric alphanumeric numeric and underscore. Variable name is the combination of character, alphanumeric character and underscore. Variable name is the combination of alphanumeric character, or we can say variable name is the combination of alphanumeric. Maybe variable name is the combination of alphanumeric character and underscore. Okay. First character must be letter or underscore. In the case when we declare the variable, then first character must be letter or underscore. The variable name is the combination of alphanumeric character and underscore. This is not necessary. Underscore is required in the variable. Okay, that means the variable name is contains variable name, you can say easy word, contains only letter or letter or letter contains letter, digit, digit or comma underscore. Okay, this is the easy way. What does it mean? Variable name contains variable name can contain variable name can contain only letter, digit, or underscore. Okay, but first character must be letter or underscore. Okay, this is the convention regarding the variable. Suppose I want to go declare the variable first underscore name. This is the variable I have passed. John last name, and last name you can assign like that. You can the first character is letter, and the variable name contains letter, digit, underscore, here underscore contain, or you can write like that, or you can the variable name underscore, we can start with underscore also the variable name. Okay, first but this some invalid variable name like, yes, assign the value this one. This is the invalid variable name because the variable first character must be underscore or letter. So first character is at the rate. This is the this that's why it's showing the error. Or when we click on this, then you can see syntax error, invalid maybe you want. Okay, so this is the incorrect variable. Or we suppose where like that I am just pass the percentile, and this one like we have assigned the value this one. This is the incorrect variable name because variable name cannot contain special character. Variable name only contain letter, digit, or underscore. Okay, only three things: letter, digit, and underscore. Letter means from A to Z. Letter means letter means from A to Z, capital A to capital Z, and digit means 0 to 9, and you know about the underscore. Okay, this is regarding the variable name, and you need to also know Python is case sensitive language. Okay, Python is case sensitive language. I will prove how. Suppose I am written the variable name age is equal to this one. Okay, and now I am declaring capital A is equal to 45, like that. Okay, then you need to print 45 comma age is like that. You can print also C style age is colon and just comma pass the variable name age. Okay, in the second line you can print age colon, just pass the variable name capital H. So both are different. Oh, because Python is case sensitive language, so this variable is different and this variable is different. Both are different each other. Okay, if the Python is not case sensitive, then it's showing error already defined like that, already defined, already declared like that. There is some error, but here there is no error. Age have the value 454, and this is not good age, so remove this. uh, Age is 45 and age is 43. Now I am printing a small age means 45. Second line I have printed this second age 43. So click on this, run the age is 45, age is 43. Both the variable are different each other because of it's proof that Python is case sensitive. Okay, and uh, now typecasting, typecasting in py shortcut Python. Okay, typecasting in Python. Okay, suppose we have multiple typecast function. One by one we will use when required. Okay, so what we will do, suppose I have declared age equal to, and the age is assigned for 6 point, like that age is assigned. So I will print age, and here in next line I will print converted age. Okay, so what we will do, this is the, this will print 56.67. Okay, and here we will convert the age into integer. Then int is a function to typecast into integer. Just pass age here. Okay, just pass age here. This will convert the integer, age is converted to integer, and print. Okay, so we'll run this print 56 and this print 56. So how it's happened? Okay, because of this age function. Okay, so in the variable, suppose I have height equal to 5.86, like that. Suppose we have age, height. Okay, now what we will do in height, again in height just assign converted value. So int is a function, pass height here. So this height is converted into integer and pass to height. Now when we print height, then we'll get converted height means 5. Only integer part it will take. Okay, and suppose we have this is a float, then we have converted to integer. Okay, and first we already shown in other language like C, C++, C sharp, the decimal point number by default treated as double, but here only float, only treated as float. Decimal point number treated as float. That's why here the type of a is printed float, not double. Okay, now the next cell we'll see, suppose age equal to, like that we have age, and I want to convert this is to string. So what we will do, str pass age here. Okay, and just print the age, or just assign age str. Okay, just assign there, convert the age in a string and assign age str variable and print the str variable age str. Now what we will see, the age is converted in the string format. Okay, now a double quote is not shown here, but it's converted in string format. Okay, and suppose age equal to double quote. This is the string format, and I want to convert in age integer format. Then what we will do? Just use integer function and pass the age. Okay, and now print age int. Just this age I have assigned in the age variable 56 as a string, and now using the integer int function we are passing age as an argument, and this function converted is string age to integer age. Now I'm printing the integer 56. Okay, just I'm just giving more and more examples so that it's clear, clear to all of you. So I'm giving more and more example. Okay, and one more cell I have created. In this cell, just we have name. Suppose name equal to John, and this John I want to convert in integer. Okay, this is the string. This 5 6 is just masked as a string, but actually this can be converted to integer. So we need to just remove the double quotes to get it as integer, to convert it as integer. But suppose we have a string and I want to convert this string to integer, then it's not possible. Okay, then it's not possible. We can't create name as a string because it's not mask. This is a age, this is a name we can't convert into integer. So n int equal to this. When I'm trying to print this one, then it will get error because we can't create the value John to integer. But when we have 4 5, then it's type, it's actually it's integer, but it masked with double quote, so it can be convert into integer, but John name is not, character is not, cannot be convert into the integer. That's why it is giving error. When we run, then it's work fine, no problem. Okay, that's why. So don't try to use integer function to convert a string to integer. Okay, means a string name to integer, string character to integer. Only this can be converted because actually this is masked with double quotes, but actual data is integer. So we can convert this one to integer. Okay, and now we will see how to take input in Python. Suppose we have age and age. I want to input the age. Okay, and I don't want to assign directly manually the age. Just I want to input from the user. Then in the Python it's very easy. Just use input, and here you can pass the message. Enter your age. Enter your age. Now just print the type. What type of data is inputted by the user, means when the user is input the data, then what type of data is coming. Okay, The data is coming of type is string. Okay, that's why I'm saying. So I want to confirm. So just use input, enter your age. This will show a pop-up, and in that pop-up there will be a message, enter your age. Just input your age in that pop-up, and that age whatever you have entered, that is assigned here in age variable. Now I want to check what type of data came into this age. So I'm using type function to know the type of age. So print type of age. Okay, just execute this one. Either you can shift plus enter, or you can directly execute from here. So when we execute this one, then one pop-up is shown, and here there is message, input your age. This is message is printed. Press enter to confirm or escape to cancel. If you want to cancel the input, then just press the escape button in your keyboard, just left side top upper corner. Okay, top corner. So you can escape the input, or if you want to enter if you want to enter the age and confirm, then press enter. Suppose I am entering 45, and to confirm just press enter. Then the age is, whatever the age is inputted, that age is came into this variable age, and I'm printing the type of age, print type of age. Then this is printing str. That means whatever input we take from input function, that is by default came into a string. So we need to convert. If we want to input the name or input the number for the calculation, then by default the value using the input function is coming into the variable uh, in a string format. So for calculation we need to convert by the using the function int function, or float function, a string function. Okay, we need to convert. Okay, so what we'll do, I want uh, to summarize everything. I want to make a calculator in this calculator program in Python. So I can summarize every variable and whatever we have learned in this calculator program in Python. Okay, so what we will do, just input two numbers, and we'll do the operation plus minus, multiplication and division. Okay, so what we'll do, we will create a number n1. N1 means number one, and just use input function to get the number. Okay, so enter your first number. This is the first one. Just create n2 and input, enter your second number. Two numbers inputted. Then we will do the operation, sum equal to n1. What so first of all, what we will do, just convert these value, because already know the whatever the value is inputted by this input function, that by default is coming as a string type, so we need to convert into the float. Because suppose someone, if we are converting integer, suppose someone uses 4.6, then we are converting to integer, then 6 is eliminated, only 4 will come. That's why I am using float conversion, float, and here just close. Whatever the input came, that input is converted and passed to n1. Like here also you can use, either here you can use, or on n1 you can use float. Okay, so I am using here only whatever the number is inputted, that number is came here, and that number is converted and passed to n1 and n2. Okay, after that just uses sum equal to n1 plus n2. Sum, 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 and sub sub equal to n1 minus n2. Multiplication mult equal to n1 multiply by n2, and just quotient QUO equal to n1 divided by n2. Okay, and now print sum of two number, sum of two number sum. Here just copy this one and paste 4 times. Sum of two number sum, subtraction of two number is sub, and multiplication multiplication of two number is mult, because we are passing the multiplication n1 multiply by n2 in mult, so I'm printing here multiplication of two number, here uh, quotient of two number, that is QU, that I QU. Now this is completed. The calculator program is completed. I summarize everything. Okay, and end of program just commented end of program. This is the calculator program in Python. When we execute this one, then first input, enter your first number. Just I am giving 4 and press enter. Just enter your second number, just 5. Press enter, then the result is printed. 5 plus 4 is sum of two number is 9. Okay, and subtraction of two number is minus 1, because n1 minus n2, 4 minus 5 is minus 1, that's why. Okay, multiplication 5 into 4 20, and quotient is this one. Okay, got it. I think the video is too long. That's why we will close this session today here. And in next video, I will tell another topic. We will discuss another topic with the example. Uh, okay, bye. Thank you. Please see my video. Comment whatever you have issue, and uh, please like and subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.